we did. Hi, Roxy.
Hi, Roxy.
Hey, Juliana and Christine, how are you?
I am good,
How are
thank
you?
you.
We have problems this morning.
No, you guys are having a blast. I'm jealous.
We were just are we on yet? We're not on, right? You're taping this?
I am taping it, so.
We were just talking to Minnesota, and I was saying how on this this one summer I spent on a lake there, and I'm like, what are those cool boats called? And I was trying to think of pontoon, and I go, what are they called? Tampoons? And she goes,
Well, I'm from Minnesota, so I am familiar with pontoons. Not tampoons, but pontoons.
see, you would have
Minnesota
saved me.
Day,
She
yeah.
couldn't save me. I'm like,
I was
listen.
laughing too hard.
I'm like, what are those boats? Tampoons? And I'm like, did I just say tampon, but in like with an accent? Anyway, sorry.
It was amazing.
Yeah, that's why you guys are so good at what you do.
We'll hold
Oh my
it
God,
together
I'm
for
dying.
you.
I got to
Yeah.
say that on Sunday. Somehow I got to work tampoon into my
Oh my God.
Okay, sorry, Roxy. We know you're busy.
Professionals, yeah.
No, I love it. I love it. Hey, guys, thanks for being with us today on Palm Beach Rocks.
Thanks
Hi.
for having us.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Now, you know, Jillian, you've been on our show before, and it's great to have you back.
Thank you. We love being on your show. Thank you.
You know what I have to say? This is one of the most exciting pre-events. I love that you guys are doing this for the Emmys.
Let me tell you, the Emmys are pretty awesome. It's the beginning of awards season, and we're gonna have 15 cameras on the red carpet Sunday, and we are debuting a brand new camera. E is known for like its cool, funky cameras like the manicure cam, the Manicam, the stiletto cam, but now we're debuting the Glamazoom. The Glamazoom will be zooming in to beautiful embellishments on a dress or possibly a tattoo an actress might have. So you're really gonna be able to feel like you're standing right there in front of a celebrity. It's gonna be really cool.
It's pretty amazing.
Well, you know, I have to say something about Palm Beach here. Of course, we have some of the most amazing events and galas in the world. Actually, this area has more billionaires than practically any other town in America. So I'm all about showing my viewers the glitz and the glamour, and there it is. Close, zoom-eyed on the red carpet in Hollywood. I love it.
By the way, I love Palm Beach. I mean, wow, it's so beautiful down there. Beautiful, beautiful. But anyway, Bill and I always fantasize about getting a house down there.
Well, I hope you do. You know that. I know you were here, I think, last year.
Yeah, we were there last year. It's gorgeous, gorgeous.
And you know, South Florida, we love to show off that tan. So tell us, what are some of the looks? Let's say, give me 10 great looks that you can share with us, or predictions with our viewers.
Ooh, well, I think on this red carpet, we are going to see a lot of great colors because this time of year in Los Angeles at the Emmys, it never fails. We've been doing the red carpet 11, 12 years now, Kristen and I. It has never not been 90 degrees on the Emmy red carpet. It is boiling hot out there. The sun is shining down on you. Everyone is hot. So it's, you know, it feels weird to come in black or something too severe. So a lot of the actresses come in these beautiful bright colors, these gorgeous flowy strapless gowns, and, you know, very like easy, effortless hair. So you really see some very romantic looks and beautiful looks on the Emmy red carpet.
Yeah, and I do think, you know, this isn't the Oscars. I think it's not quite so stuffy and stodgy and polished. I think, you know, you get to see some really fun, sometimes outrageous looks, you know, and that makes our job a lot more interesting when people are making a statement on the carpet and they're willing to take some risks and have a little fun. I think with the Oscars, they have to be somewhat more subdued and more sort of classic, you know, Hollywood glamour. So the Emmys, honestly, it's my favorite red carpet.
Yeah.
You know, when you're talking about all of these new cameras, technology coming out, aren't you a little afraid that maybe you're going to catch something in a malfunction there?
Afraid or hopeful?
You're hopeful?
I mean, let's be honest, at a recent award show, Sofia Vergara split down the backside of her dress. Are you kidding me? That's money for us.
That is ratings gold, baby.
And she knew it too. She owned it. She knew she was going to be sort of the talk of the day. So, no, what we like is to sort of peel back that curtain for you, break that fourth wall, and show you what it's really like to actually be there on the carpet. And those are the types of things that you see. You know, you've seen for years these glossy magazine spreads when they're polished and they're, you know, every hair is in place. I like showing you the more human side, that sometimes there are sweat marks and sometimes there are bra straps that go awry. But, you know, obviously these people have a team of professionals surrounding them at any given moment, so they are prepared. We're not catching them too off guard, I don't think.
Oh, well, that's too bad because we really want to see the real stuff going on. So don't, you know, don't face over too much.
Yes.
Well, thanks so much, guys, for sharing. I know I am so looking forward to it. The Emmys, especially with you girls.
Thank you. We'll see you Sunday on E!